This week, we are exploring Bawah Reserve, a hidden cluster of private islands nestled at the southern part of the Anambas Archipelago in the Riau Province of Indonesia, offering beachfront and overwater villas, opportunities to explore secluded beaches and indulge in a plethora of water activities. Bawah Reserve promises an unforgettable escape into nature's embrace. After a 75-minute journey from Singapore, our seaplane touches down on the calm azure waters of Bawah Reserve. You can't stop looking out of the window to get a glimpse of this hidden paradise. As you disembark the seaplane onto the welcoming jetty at Bawah Reserve, a wave of tranquility washes over you, inviting you to capture every mesmerizing moment and share it with the world on Instagram. The crystal blue waters glisten in the sunlight, while lush greenery surrounds you, creating a sense of tranquility that is unmatched. We are spending the weekend at this luxury resort, where its commitment to sustainability is evident from the moment you arrive. For the first part of our trip, we are staying at the luxurious beachfront villa. Each villa is meticulously designed to blend seamlessly with the natural environment, featuring traditional Indonesian architecture and modern amenities. Every minute detail, from the classic canopy beds and copper bathtubs to the seamlessly integrated indoor-outdoor living, is designed to evoke that home away from home comfort while being worlds away. Whether you choose to wake up to the sound of waves crashing against the shore, or the gentle lapping of water beneath your overwater villa, you are sure to experience unparalleled luxury and comfort during your stay. More than just a luxury resort, Bawah Reserve is a sanctuary for the soul, a place where time stands still and the worries of the world melt away. Join us as we explore the island and its surrounds, indulge in a variety of water sports, and explore the reefs around Bawah Reserve.